In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add your credit card details straight to your Play Store account and use that you're going to be using for purchases. In case you want to do some purchases and maybe you're finding it difficult to use or to add your credit card details straight up into your Google, here in this video, I'm going to be taking you through this step by step. The last guide I dropped, I showed you how to deactivate your account in order to avoid any form of let's say you subscribed for a particular course online, maybe you're not interested anymore in the course and you want to deactivate the payment. I dropped a video last week on how to do that. You can check the video at the description of this video. So, but here in this video, I'll be going straight on how to add your credit card. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's my Play Store. I'll just click on it. We are going to be linking directly through our Play Store, okay? So you click on your Play Store, you come over to here. You click on that. Then you come over to where you have your payments and subscriptions. You click on it. You head over to where you have your payment method. You click on it. Now it's going to take you up here. You can see here that I've added an account before. I've added a credit account. I've added a card here before, but I want to add another card. So you click on here. If you want to add another card, just click over here. So you click on it. So here is it. You can now go to your card, go get your card and check the back of your card. There is, if you check the back of your card, there are about 12 key digits at the back of it. Insert those 12 key digits here. All right, insert those 12 key digits at the back of your card. And after inserting those 12 key digits, you copy down the month at which you collected that card. All right, it's always at the back of the card. You copy it down and you copy the security code that is always beside the month and year that the card was issued. Normally, the card is always the month of the card that was issued is always written there at the back. You can copy it from there and paste it here, and then you insert your four security pin. All right, insert your 4 security pin still at the back of that card. All right, so when you insert that 4 security pin, you can now come over here and click on add card. All right, so immediately you click on that add card, you confirm the process. You confirm the process, and then it will be added automatically into your Play Store account for deposits of all sorts. All right, so that is how you add your account to your Play Store. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and bye for now.